as one of the most precious phases, yet the hardest one for a woman's life. Carrying a human body inside her own room is extremely blissful and exhilarating. However, a woman can also feel fear, nervousness, anxiety all along with this pregnancy phase. Every mother wants her pregnancy to be stress-free and without any complications. They want to enjoy the feeling of carrying of the soul without any difficulty now and then. During the time period of 9 months, every mother requires a healthy lifestyle atmosphere, positive feelings and so on. It can be pursued either by a healthy diet or by a lifestyle change. Here are some healthy pregnancy tips that could assure fewer chances of complications. The first one is exercise regularly. Regular exercise keeps a pregnant woman healthy and fit. It improvises the blood circulation in the body. Exercises will help to relax the body completely and makes the pregnant woman fit and free the knots in your muscles. So you should not make excuses to not to go to the gym or skip a yoga routine. Now moving on, switch up a healthy diet. A healthy diet does not mean you cannot eat what you like to, but for sure you will have to avoid high-calorie vegetables, oils, except for the olive oil. Your diet must include green vegetables and fruits, excluding papaya. You must not prefer junkies and fast food even if you crave it to the most. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can go with fishes high in omega-3 fatty acids and minerals. Now the third one is avoid heavy-duty household chores. A pregnant woman should avoid lifting heavy objects, sitting on her knees or transferring heavy items from one place to another, and avoid climbing up and down the stairs. You are not troubled but you are pregnant. There is a high probability of miscarriage during the first trimester. You should work around at home but avoid heavy work. Now moving on, cut off smoking and drinking habits. A woman should stay away from toxic things during her pregnancy. Alcohol can further lead to the problems in the development of the baby, which can also lead to the abnormal facial features. The baby's brain development can be affected thoroughly if any exposure to alcohol is given at any time. The fetus can face problems including growth and central nervous system. Fifth one, avoid stress and anxiety. A pregnant woman should reduce the workload and focus on living a stress-free life. She must avoid any sort of stressful situation. Now let's say your work is too demanding for your efforts. It is better to reduce the workload or take some time off. Moving on, keep yourself hydrated. Keep yourself hydrated helps in balancing the amniotic fluid levels, and you must drink at least 10 full glasses of water per day. Less water can lead to morning sickness, cramps, tiredness and also contractions during the second and third trimesters. You must carry a water bottle and drink from a glass, stainless steel or a BPA-free container so that the estrogen mimicking toxins are not transferred to your baby.